In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS step by step so you can quickly generate high-quality AI audio from Google AI Studio. This is a really useful tool if you want to create voiceovers, test speech output, or explore Google's latest text-to-speech features without any complicated setup. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. This is Google AI Studio, and it's the main place where you can access Google's AI models and tools. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your Google account. If you're not signed in already, click the login button and complete the sign-in process. This step is important because you need an active Google account to use the platform. After you log in, look for the Get Started option and click it. This will take you into the main workspace where you can begin setting up your AI model. Once you're inside, you'll see different options for working with Google's models. At this point, you want to select a voice model since we're focusing on text-to-speech generation. Now, move over to the right side of the screen. This is where Google AI Studio usually displays the model selection area and related settings. From there, choose Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS. Make sure you select the correct voice and audio model so you're using the text-to-speech version and not another Gemini tool. This model is designed to turn your text into natural-sounding audio quickly and efficiently. Once Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS is selected, you're ready to generate your audio. Enter the text you want spoken, review your settings, and then click the Generate button. The system will process your request and create the audio output for you. After it finishes, you can listen to the result, test different inputs, and regenerate it if you want to refine the voice style or pacing. And that's it. You've successfully accessed Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS in Google AI Studio and generated your audio. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and now you can use it anytime you need fast AI voice generation. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.